She's a rich girl. She don't try to hide about diamonds on the shoulders of shoes. He's a poor boy, empty as a pocket. He's empty as a pocket with nothing to lose. Sing ta-na-na, ta-na-na. She got diamonds on the soles of her shoes. Ta-na-na, ta-na-na. She got diamonds on the soles of her shoes. Diamonds on the soles of her shoes. Rich boy. Diamonds on the soles of her shoes. Rich guy. Diamonds on the soles of her shoes. Diamonds on the soles of her shoes. She got diamonds on the soles of her shoes, yeah. Well, but that's one way to lose these walking blues. Ah, diamonds on the soles of your shoes. She was physically forgotten, but then she slipped into my pocket with my car keys. She said you've taken me for granted because I please you. Where is diamond? I could say, as if everybody here would know what I was talking about. I mean, as if everybody here knows what I am talking about. I'm talking about diamonds on the soles of your shoes. She makes the sign of a teaspoon, he makes the sign of a wave. The poor boy changes clothes and he puts on aftershave. Ah, to compensate for his ordinary shoes. Yeah, to compensate for his ordinary shoes. And she said, she said, honey, take me dancing. But they ended up by sleeping in a doorway by the bodegas and the lights on up Broadway, wearing diamonds on the soles of their shoes. And I could say, and everybody here would know what I was talking about. I mean, everybody here knows what we are talking about. We're talking about diamonds on the soles of your shoes now. Diamond, diamond. I got diamonds on the soles of my shoes, yeah. Well, but that's one way to lose these walking blues. Diamonds on the soles of your ta-na-na-na-na, ta-na-na-na.